Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a dent in a Jeep Wrangler bumper. First, gather your tools, including a heat gun, a clean cloth, and some protective gloves. Next, thoroughly clean the dented area with soap and water to remove any dirt or debris. This ensures a clear surface for the repair. Finally, take a moment to assess the dent size and the bumper's material to determine the best method. Now put on your protective gloves. Take your heat gun and set it to a low or medium setting. Begin to gently warm the dented plastic, holding the gun about 6 to 8 inches away from the surface. Keep the heat gun moving constantly in a circular motion to ensure even heating and prevent the plastic from melting or scorching. The goal is to make the plastic pliable. Once the plastic feels warm and flexible, carefully reach behind the bumper if possible. Using a blunt object like the handle of a hammer or your gloved hand, apply gentle, steady pressure to push the dent outwards. If the plastic cools, reapply heat as needed. Continue this process of heating and pushing until the dent is completely gone and the bumper returns to its original shape. After successfully pushing out the dent, allow the bumper to cool down completely and naturally. Do not try to cool it rapidly with water. Once cool, thoroughly inspect the repaired area for any remaining imperfections or unevenness. You might be surprised at how well the dent has disappeared. Also, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Check the description below for a link to this amazing device and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.